Hello, Namaskaram. All are welcome to the channel. Today, I would like to speak about the basic principles of Ayurveda. Human beings are the Sushma Prapancha of the Sthula Prapancha, macro universe. All the living and non-living things in the universe are made up of Panchamahabhuta. This is the Panchamahabhuta theory of Ayurveda. What are Panchamahabhutas? Panchamahabhuta are Prithvi, earth, up, water, Tejas, fire, Vayu, air, Akash, ether. Panchamahabhuta with Chedana forms the human beings. Panchamahabhuta are in the form of dosha, dhatu and malas in human body. What are doshas? Vata, Pitta and Kapha are the three doshas. Vata is responsible for all movements and its initiation and control in the body. Pitta is responsible for digestion and metabolism. Kapha performs strength, stability and resistance, immunity. Saptadhadus. What are Saptadhadus? Rasa, lymph and serum, Rakta, blood, Mamsa, muscles, Meda, fat, Asti, bone, Majja, bone marrow, Shukra, semen are the seven dhadus. What are malas? Sweda, sweat, purisha, feces, mutra, urine, and metabolic waste are malas. Dosha, dhatu, and malas constitute the cells of the body. The nourishment, dosha, dhatus are enriched by the Panchamahabhuti constitution of food that we eat. Due to digestion and metabolism, waste are produced and eliminated to maintain homeostasis of the body. All the functions of the cells are controlled by the three doshas, which are more liable to become deranged. The deranged doshas provoke dhatu and malas and make them to participate the pathogenesis of disease. Doshas are the prime important factor causing disease, and hence it should be kept in normalcy. It is said, Rogastu dosha vaishamyam dosha samyam arogada. Derangement of doshas are disease and its normalcy is disease free. Thank you.